You want to take pride in your ride, but one scratch can destroy the appearance of your car. A professional repair job can take days and cost you big money, and fixing it on your own never works until now. Introducing Auto Regen Color Formulas, the fast and easy way to erase scratches, scrapes and scuff marks so your car looks like new again. Just wipe it on and the scratch is gone. You'll save your car and your money. It's easy. Just match the Auto Regen color with your car and apply it to the scratch. Let it dry and your scratch will disappear right before your eyes. There's no sanding, no polishing, no buffing. You don't even have to wipe. Auto Regen does the work for you, producing a hands-free shine. Auto Regen comes in 5 colors. Select the bottle closest to your car's color, and Auto Regen will blend with your original paint color perfectly. The convenient applicator sponge spreads it evenly over a wide area, even on curved surfaces like mirrors. The scratches are removed all in one fast, easy treatment. Auto Regen fills scratches with millions of colored nanoparticles. It dries, bonds and blends into the surrounding original paint so the scratch disappears. You'll get professional quality results every time. Look at these extraordinary before-after transformations. Auto Regen works great on scratches all over cars, like tiny ones. Just give it a swipe, watch it blend into your car's color, and the scratch is gone right before your eyes. Or large scuff marks on bumpers. Cover the damaged area with one easy pass, then watch it fade away in just minutes. Even marks on boats, easily fixed with no effort. On motorcycles, just wipe it on and watch the scratch disappear, returning your ride to its original luster. So don't pay the garage hundreds of pounds. Do it yourself with Auto Regen. Truly amazing. Order now.